Hi, I'm Naturopath Kimballe Robyzen, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use one of these handheld nebulizers. This is actually a very good combination with essential oil steaming, which we've demonstrated in a separate video, so you may like to also look at that. The way this works is that we put the solution in the little vestibule in the top here, and both this nebulizer and this solution of hydrogen peroxide and colloidal silver are available from the clinic. You place the solution in there. For children of younger years, you would dilute that in purified water another 50%. And basically you can choose between a full face mask version like this or a mouthpiece. I recommend the full face because we can do both nasal and mouth breathing with it, and then the solution is vaporized into the lungs. Particularly good for all of those upper respiratory infections, sinusitis, emphysema, any of these sorts of aspects that may have some bacterial, fungal or viral infection, and it's a very quick and easy way to treat yourself directly into the area of need. So we just grab the nebulizer in one hand and plug the cord into the back there, and then the on button is on the front, and there's two settings, low and high. So basically get that started, you can go to a stronger setting and then again to off, and you can see there's quite a lot of vapor that comes out of there, so you don't really need to do that many breaths. It's a more potent version, so I generally recommend 3 nasal breaths and 2 mouth breaths, starting with the nose, ending with the nose again. I'll just show you how to use that. So I'll just do the low setting, full face, like that, and then off. You'll probably need to have some tissues ready. You'll find that that will stir things up and cleanse the nasal passages, and so just clear that out. Doing that twice a day, if you had some kind of episode of some infection or flu or something like that, would be very handy, either side of laying flat where the fluids tend to settle into the airways. But a very convenient device for children and adults. You could, say for young ones, hold it not right over their mouth but just in front so that they can breathe into it that way. But I've found that very effective for all those sorts of infections, and I hope that helps you and your family.